The leadership here have expressed their concerns about many things that are affecting the Kenyan people. They've talked about this health care system, this SHA, which is having serious challenges as things stand today. They've also talked about inadequate funding coming to the counties, which is again a national issue. But the MCAs here have talked about reduction in allocation of funding to county assemblies, which is across board. Then there's also issue of infrastructure development, the issue of affordable housing, the issues of the markets which are being rolled out. They generally believe that our country is in a crisis, but that this crisis is solvable and that it should be solved. So I would say that I'm going to say which way we want to go, but generally our country has reached this place because of lack of proper attention to critical issues. And the issue of pilferage is also a major contributory factor. The animal called corruption in service delivery is itself very responsible for lack of efficient services in the country. I don't want to say much more than that, and I'll be talking again soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Maybe could you respond to some questions, please?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. After these consultative meetings, we would like to know the way forward. What is it that they want to do after this, the consultative meetings?
This is what I've said. I'm going to give a way forward. Okay.
After. About the border.
Yes. Another issue that came up here is there's some clashes along the border between Kisii County and Nairobi County, which I think has claimed some casualties. It is, I'm told, over issues of cattle theft or cattle rustling, and the situation is very tense as things stand today. I've talked to the people who are in charge of security to ensure that no further loss of life is caused to bring peace among the communities who live along the border.
Perhaps, my name is Mr. Magati. The Kisii community is also producing a son for presidency, and some feel like they have supported your party for too long. Perhaps is your party going to reciprocate to MATIANGI running for presidency?
You see, there's nothing like a community producing a candidate. Somebody who is running for the presidency, running for the presidency of Kenya. You see, you cannot be elected president of Kenya on the basis of the Kisii votes, Kisii, or the Luo votes, or Luhya votes for that matter, or even the Mount Kenya votes. If you want to be elected, you will be elected by Kenya generally. So that is something that we will deal with when the actual time comes up. Mr. MATIANGI has not, as things stand, come up to speak, to declare that he wants to run for the presidency. So I don't know where you're getting that information.